While we have the Storage Explorer up, why don't we go ahead and upload our static files to a blob container so that we can access it from the web. In order to do that, what you'll want to do is create a blob container. There's multiple ways of doing it. You can click on the blob container and down here it says create blob container, or you can just right click and create blob container. And it's going to prompt you for a name for the container. I'm going to name mine store my notes. You can't have any capital letters in here. They have to be lowercase or it'll give you an error. So I'll name it that and click enter, and it'll create my container that I can upload files to. So I can upload here folders or files, or if you have it open in Explorer, you can just click and drag the file. So these are the static files that I will have in the source code linked below. You can just run them locally and it should run fine because it's just jQuery, HTML, some material design, CSS. So it opens up fine, but it won't allow you to do any of the REST calls from the static files. So let's once again click and just highlight all these and drag them over to the blob container. That'll upload all the files, and to access it from the web, you can just click on the file you want to access, go up here to copy URL, copy that, and then I can paste it into a browser and navigate to the file. It says resource not found. Oh, it's because we need to, by default, when you create a blob container, it's private. And so once you go into your blob storage explorer again, just right click on the container that you created and go to set public access level and just go and allow, let's see, read access to containers and blobs. So we'll apply that and let's give that a try again. There we go. So it opens up. So we've got we are serving our static files from the blob. It should work because it's just running the JavaScript for these things, and we'll go over how to link that to the backend. Really quickly, just wanted to go over again the sequence diagram. So right now what we have is we've established the blob storage. The next thing we want to do is start adding some code to the functions so that we can generate that random key and send that key and the note to the table storage.